Are you looking for the best LIGE smartwatch? In this video we will look at some of the best LIGE smartwatch on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. LIGE SmartWatch 382. LIGE SmartWatch 382 appears to be a cutting-edge device designed to cater to the diverse needs of tech-savvy individuals. Released in 2022, it comes equipped with NFC and Bluetooth calling capabilities, bringing a new level of convenience to communication. The compatibility with both Android and iOS platforms ensures a broad user base can make the most of its features. The smartwatch boasts a focus on sports and fitness tracking, suggesting it's not just a communication device but also a companion for a healthy lifestyle. With heart rate monitoring, users can keep a close eye on their cardiovascular health, making it suitable for those who prioritize fitness. Number 2. LIGE SmartWatch 190. The LIGE SmartWatch 190 seems to be a stylish and feature-packed wearable designed for both fashion-conscious individuals and fitness enthusiasts. Its full touch screen enhances user interaction, providing a seamless and intuitive experience. The inclusion of sports and fitness features suggests a focus on health tracking, catering to those who prioritize an active lifestyle. With an IP67 waterproof rating, it offers durability and protection against water, making it suitable for various environments. The Bluetooth connectivity ensures compatibility with both Android and iOS devices, enhancing its versatility. The mention of being a ladies' smartwatch suggests that it's specifically designed to appeal to women, possibly incorporating design elements that cater to a feminine aesthetic. Number 3. LIGE SmartWatch BW0189. The LIGE SmartWatch BW0189 seems like a versatile companion for individuals seeking a blend of style and functionality in a wristwear gadget. Its Bluetooth call feature adds a layer of convenience, allowing users to stay connected on the go. The IP67 waterproof rating suggests durability and the ability to withstand various environments, making it suitable for sports and fitness activities. Designed with compatibility in mind, the smartwatch caters to both Android and iOS users, ensuring a broad user base. Its sports and fitness functionalities imply a focus on health-conscious individuals, with features that may aid in tracking and monitoring various aspects of physical activity. Number 4. LIGE SmartWatch GT3 Pro. The LIGE SmartWatch GT3 Pro is a cutting-edge wearable device designed to integrate seamlessly into your daily life. With a sleek and modern design, this smartwatch combines style with functionality, offering a range of features to enhance your overall wellness and productivity. The GT3 Pro is equipped with advanced fitness tracking capabilities, allowing users to monitor their workouts, track steps, distance, and calories burned. It may also include specific sports modes tailored for various activities. Keep a close eye on your health with features such as heart rate monitoring, sleep tracking, and blood oxygen level measurement. These tools provide valuable insights into your overall well-being. Stay connected without having to check your phone constantly. The smartwatch notifies you of incoming calls, messages, and app notifications, ensuring you never miss an important update. Number 5. LIGE SmartWatch 504. The LIGE SmartWatch 504 seems like a promising gadget for the tech-savvy and fitness-conscious individual. With its focus on long standby time and sports functionality, it aligns well with a dynamic lifestyle. The inclusion of Bluetooth call support adds a convenient touch, allowing users to stay connected on the go. The IP68 waterproof feature enhances its durability and usability, making it suitable for various environments. The smartwatch's support for recording suggests it goes beyond just tracking physical activity, possibly serving as a comprehensive tool for users to document and monitor their fitness journey. Overall, the LIGE SmartWatch 504 appears to blend style and functionality, catering to those who seek a versatile and reliable companion for their daily activities.